Hey guys, my name is Adam Ryan, and I'm going to show you today how to make a strong cord out of sewing string. Sewing thread string? Fiber? So you start with a bunch of pieces of equal length thread. You can get thread from anywhere. This is upholstery thread, because it's got a little bit more strength to it, a little bit thicker. I've got 10 equal length strands. Now what I'm going to be doing to it is doing what's called a Flemish twist. So I'm going to take all of these strands, get at least one side of them roughly the same length. I'm going to give it a quick knot. So half of the strands, give a quick knot on one end, just like that. And the other half, I'm going to give another quick knot. Just on the end there, just to hold them together, because what we're doing is we're combining all of these strands into one solid, very strong cord. Alright, got them both in my fingers here. Grab one, twist forward, pull it back over itself. Grab the other, twist forward, pull it back. Grab the other, twist forward, pull it back. You just do that all the way down the line. And it becomes, I'll show you what it becomes. It becomes bowstring is what it becomes. It becomes very strong. This is going to be the handle for a sling that I'm going to make. And I'll show you that in a follow-up video. But with more strands, you can do more and more. The English in the Middle Ages used to do this with flax fiber to create the bowstrings for their bows that had an incredibly heavy pull. And when I mean an incredibly heavy pull, I mean 120, 160 pound pull. So the bowstrings had to be pretty darn strong in order to carry that much weight or hold that much weight. And that's what it becomes. The person in England back in the day who did this for a living to make string was known as a Stringfellow. So whether or not you've heard that as a last name, that is a maybe not common, but it is a last name that I've heard in my life. And you end up with this absolutely gorgeous cord, which I've used in necklaces, bracelets, and all sorts of stuff over the years. Nowadays this process is all done by machine. Except by me. 'Cause I am the machine. If you ever have a short piece, like say this one, and you want to add it to your strands here, you just add it on in there. So I just pretend like it was always supposed to be in there. The string won't care. And then later on I'll snip that. But this is how far I've gotten so far. Pretty good. Nearly a foot, maybe a little more than a foot. I don't know. Need a measuring tape to figure that out. For those of you who are into archery, this is known as a Flemish twist. Might be one of the oldest style rope twists that has ever been done. As far as I know, at least. I don't know anything older than this. But if you ever see a Flemish twist bowstring, that's what this is. Closer you get to the end, the harder it gets. At least that's what I find.